case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a complex ruling on a contract dispute involving consumer goods, BMC Industries, Inc. lost a critical lawsuit against Barth Industries, Inc. and its parent company Nesco, due to an appeal decided by the United States Court of Appeals for the 11th Circuit in 1998. The dispute began when BMC sued Barth for breach of contract, alleging that Barth had failed to deliver automated equipment by the contractually agreed deadline due to repeated delays caused by technical and design issues. The equipment was ultimately a year late, delivered to BMC in June 1988 instead of June 1987 as per the original contract. Despite setbacks and Barth's continued failure to meet the revised schedule, BMC made additional payments, attempted to enforce the revised deadlines, and sought assurance of performance from Barth. These assurances were not met, and BMC subsequently refused delivery of the mold assembly filler and filed a lawsuit in June 1989. At the outset, the lawsuit contained 14 counts, including claims of breach of contract and fraudulent misrepresentation against both Barth and its parent company Nesco, as well as recovery claims against Barth's directors. This extensive list was reduced to 3 main claims by the final pretrial conference: breach of contract and fraudulent misrepresentation by Barth, as well as promissory estoppel against Nesco. However, the Court of Appeals eventually vacated the initial rulings of the district court, concluding that the bulk of the contract was a transaction in goods, and BMC had waived its right to enforce the delivery date in the contract through its subsequent actions. They also found that the district court erred in instructing the jury on contract issues. On these grounds, the Court of Appeals overturned the judgment against Barth. As to the claims against Nesco, the Court of Appeals held those to be barred by the statute of frauds, directing the district court to dismiss Nesco from the case and grant judgment in their favor. With this complex legal showdown now over, it's clear the lines between goods and services may be incredibly important in the realm of contract law.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.